Hey, welcome back. So in this video, I will show you how the auto park of the B6 works and how to do it. Okay, I will show you with the key as well as from inside the screen. Basically, there are three ways you can do it. One is with the key, one is by sitting inside, and the third one using your phone. But currently, I am shooting with my phone, so I won't be able to show it. Basically, key and mobile ka functioning is the same, and so that's why I will show both. And just for the new viewers, this is the V6 Pack 3 variant, the 79 kilowatt hour battery. Abhi, the most highlighting point is that this is Goa's one and only matte white BE6, matte or satin white. If I show you, you can see that this is a matte color. Now let's begin with the tutorial how to use the auto park. The auto park can be used for different purposes. It has different purposes. The first one is that you want to park somewhere, correct? The second one, you want to get the car out of a parking where if next to both the doors there are two cars parked and you're not able to get inside. That is called the park in and park out. Then third one is that you can get the car out from a parking because it remembers the route. Okay, and the point which I mentioned second, which the car automatically parks itself. Okay, there are different things. The car first, if there are proper road markings, it searches and automatically detects that there's a parking and it will automatically show you parking slots. If not, or if you want to customly park somewhere, you can just select it on the screen and park the car. Now I will give you in detail tutorial. I will show you how it is done. Now getting inside is very convenient. I just press over here, it gets unlocked. Yes, you all might say that B6 has the proximity unlock, but currently I have not yet got that update. I will be going to the service center, okay, for the first servicing, so I will be doing that time. Now getting inside will first turn on the car. Okay, now next thing what we have to do is in order to park, auto park, there is dedicatedly a button which is given over here. You can just click this and the screen we will get such sort of information or disclaimer, and then see, we can park in, we can park out, we get some different this is that virtual camera. Okay, if I want to do auto park, confirm, and now let's park the car. So firstly we need to wear our seat belts. Okay, I'm buckled in. Then when we move the car, you see a small square button which comes up. You can just select that. This one is like your parking custom where you want. Now this button is doing what? That, see, it searches for a parking slot. You just need to move a bit forward and then it will search. But now I will not do that, okay, because there are no proper markings over here on the road, because this is a newly new road. I will select this, we'll select parallel parking, maybe we'll park it over here, so, and we'll confirm it. Now we'll start parking directly. Okay, now I will leave the brake. Now the car will do everything by itself, so it is parking automatically. I'm not doing anything, my hand is off. Okay, now it will move to that parking spot. Okay, and it will automatically shift gears and do everything. So now let's see, it will shift into reverse. Now the steering is moving by itself. Now it is parking in that parking particular spot. See, the steering is moving by itself. कोई imagine करेगा कि this is done by Mahindra? No one would have imagined. Now the car is getting parked by itself. We know that this feature was available in the Germans. Now I myself pressed the brake because there were people outside. It would have done as well, but simply I didn't want anything to happen. I can just release the brake and it will resume parking. So See, the car is parking. Neither my foot is on the brake or accelerator. The car has parked itself automatically. See, parking completed. Now simultaneously I will show you, if I want to get out of this parking, I can do this arrow button which is there. I can just select on that, and now it has remembered that the same track. Now please press brake and start park out. Okay, see, the car will go to the same spot to where we had stopped or started that parking. Okay, it's parked because I had started the car with diagonal, so it has parked the car in a diagonal way. I will show you it from the outside. So मैंने जैसे क्रॉस पार्क किया था डायगनली, उसने वैसे पार्क किया है. और बेसिकली दिस इज जस्ट लाइक अ पार्क आउट इफ two cars are also in front of you and back, and you're not able to get it out easily. The car will do all the judgments and get you on the road like this. Okay, so the next parking style I will do with the key. Okay, for that we will just straighten our car and we will park it in the same spot, but this time with the key. So parking is in progress. Okay, I have not worn the seat belt. Correct. So now we will do what? Same parallel parking. We'll confirm this spot over here. Confirm. Park with key fob. Okay, this is the option. We will release the brake. We will take the key out and we will get out from the car. Now how to park? So on the key we have got two buttons, forward and back. This is how you will park. Now let's get it in front or back. It will move by itself. See, now it moved a bit, so it will not move after that. We know that time we have to press the other button. Now look. Okay, it is moving. Abhi ho raha hai. Parking is happening. But unfortunately there is a truck coming. We'll do this all again. So मैंने फिर से किया है because the truck went, and now we will do it again. Okay, so we are parking the car with the key. So it is moving ahead, and at a point it will stop. That time we will know that we have to press the other button. Okay, so it is going. See, it is going. The tires have turned. There is no one inside. Okay, so correct, it is going. See, the tires are turning by itself. There is no one inside. Okay, I am in its radar, so it will not come in front. Okay, just have to hold the button and the car has parked itself successfully. That's done. So parking brake engaged. If you open, the car has locked basically, so it's done. It's like how you know कि पार्क विथ की मतलब क्या है कि अगर आपको कहाँ बाहर जाना, आप चाबी से पार्क करोगे ना, उसके बाद अंदर जाओगे नहीं. That's why the feature is like that. So the car automatically locks itself. This the same way how we did with the key, same way is done on the mobile app. So that's why I won't show it, but it is the same exact way. Instead of park with key fob, you have to park with mobile app. That option you have to click. That's it. Now the last thing which I will show you कि रिमोटली गाड़ी को कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, हाउ टू मूव द कार रिमोटली, ओके, विदाउट गेटिंग इनसाइड, हाउ टू गेट द कार इन फ्रंट एंड बैक, हाउ टू मूव इट फ्रंट एंड बैक, एंड आई विल शो यू नाउ. सो उसके लिए क्या करना है, यू हैव टू लॉक द कार. सो आई विल लॉक इट. सो हैंडल्स हैव पॉप्ड इनसाइड, एंड वंस यू लॉक इट, immediately press the start stop button, this one जो snowflake की तरह है ना, twice and hold it. Okay, so we will lock, 1 2 hold. Now we will understand that car has started when the mirrors unfold. Correct. Once the mirrors have unfolded, that means the car is on. Abhi, now I will move the car forward with using this left button. This is for the move back, move forward. So let's move the car forward. Okay, the lights have turned on. The car will move ahead now. See, the car is moving ahead. Now, until unless I am next to the car will move ahead. Okay, if I am just staying at one place, it will move only till 7 meters. Okay, now I've stopped the car. Now we'll move it back. If you might think if someone comes बीच में तो क्या करेगी गाड़ी? Yes, the car will stop and I will show you right now. So I am coming here. So car stopped. Correct. Now let's move the car ahead again. Now the reverse light will turn off. It's turned off. Car is moving. So this is how simple it is to move, auto park and everything. So hopefully this video was informative, and the B6 and XCV90 owners out there, it was helpful for you guys. And so new people, new viewers, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to stay notified by clicking the bell icon and like this video, and see you in the next one. Follow for such more EV and car related contents. Okay, do follow me on my Instagram.